Hey guys, it's Rocco Jordan. I'm here delivering Harry Fitch's Bud Light home invasion gifts, and here to deliver them in this big TV. You won't notice this. Nope. Okay, here we go. Yeah. Yeah, he won't. It'll buff out. Yeah. All right.
I'm sure there's a warranty on that.
Yeah, no, here's a warranty. Here you go, Harry.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Just don't notice that. Well, Harry is getting a lot more other Bud Light prizes, and we're gonna show them to you. We have the Bud Light buckets filled with Bud Light, of course, and we have the Bud Light stadium chairs and the Bud Light neon sign and these cool Bud Light glasses and
Posters.
and then the 55-inch audio connection TV with the sound bar, like he said, which I didn't even know came with it. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I mean, you know more about that stuff than I do.
Absolutely. I am a nerd.
Yeah.
Thank you, Bud Light.